With the bombing run, we'll basically start off high, dive in low. We'll use the valley walls as our protection against any enemy that may want to attack us. We use Russian aircraft for a reason. The reason we do it is because the Russians build aircraft to what is known as an economic indice. Lots of G-force, lots of sensory overload. The problem with this aeroplane is it's got enough energy to keep G all day long. We'll get ready, we'll dive in to around 4,500 feet, at which time we'll do a 2-kilometre loop. Depending on how cheeky you're being, we'll roll, and 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 roll. Do you want him back? The truth is, you are here to crash, burn and die, and when we survived, we did good.
Got an eject seat?
Nope.